Welcome back to my walkthrough of Fortnite. And I know I never did it for 30 days or something. And the owl just comes. Because I was doing a practice on other games. That's why I wasn't here. I like my Ocarina of Time. I'm just pressing the thing. There we go. Okay, a little farther. Why did it make it fall down? See you in the next one.